In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for branded content on Pinterest. Branded content on Pinterest lets creators and businesses disclose partnerships clearly and access tools made for collaborations. It's quick to enable, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect and where to click. Start by opening your browser and going to Pinterest.com. Once you're on the home feed and signed into the account you want to use for partnerships, take a moment to make sure you recognize your profile photo and username so you're in the right place. Interface layouts can shift slightly over time, but the navigation we're using is consistent on desktop and most laptops. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small menu area labeled Settings and Support. This is where Pinterest keeps account-level controls and helpful resources. Click that label to open the menu. If your window is very narrow and you don't see it immediately, try maximizing your browser so the left sidebar is fully visible. Keeping your screen at a comfortable width will make the next steps easier. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to the main settings hub for your account. You'll land on a page with a left-hand navigation panel and a larger content area on the right. The left panel organizes everything into sections like account details, privacy, and creator or business tools. We'll stay in this settings area for the rest of the process. In the left panel, look for the branded content section and click it. This page is dedicated to partnership tools and disclosure controls. You may see a brief explanation of what branded content is and how it helps you stay compliant with platform policies and local advertising guidelines. Take a second to read any notes on eligibility or disclosures so you understand how Pinterest expects branded posts to be labeled. Now, click the sign up button. Pinterest may show a short agreement or policy notice describing the branded content terms. Review the information so you're comfortable with it. Then proceed to complete the sign-up. In many cases, activation is immediate. When it's done, the page typically updates to confirm that branded content features are enabled on your account. That's it. You've turned on branded content tools inside your Pinterest settings. If you ever need to confirm the status later, return to Settings, open branded content, and check that it shows as active. Going forward, you'll have the appropriate controls to disclose partnerships clearly and keep your collaborations aligned with Pinterest's guidelines.